In this video, I will teach you a powerful method called self-hypnosis combined with law of attraction that allows you, without depending on others, to effortlessly reprogram your subconscious mind to attract the success, abundance, and confidence you truly deserve. Firstly, let's clear up the biggest misunderstanding about hypnosis. And then I will take you to the step by step technique to enter the state of self hypnosis. Most people think hypnosis means mind control. They imagine a magician on stage making people cluck like chickens. They think hypnosis means losing control of their mind. That is completely false. Hypnosis is simply a natural state of deep focus where your conscious mind steps aside and your subconscious becomes more open to suggestion. Now, why is it important for your conscious mind to step aside? Because your conscious mind filters and resists change. It rationalizes everything and protects your existing beliefs, even if they are limiting you. But when you enter hypnosis, that filter is temporarily relaxed, allowing direct access to your subconscious mind, where deep-rooted beliefs exist. If you want a deep dive into how this process works, check out my other video linked in the description after this one. You might find it hard to believe that you experience hypnosis all the time without knowing. When you are so immersed in a movie, you forget everything around you. When you drive home on autopilot but don't remember the last few turns. When you wake up in the morning but are still in that dream-like state, that in-between state, that's hypnosis. It happens to you every day. You must understand that if you can control this state, you can reprogram your subconscious mind to break free from any limitation that has held you back your entire life. This is what self-hypnosis is all about. Have you ever noticed yourself going into hypnotic mode like this? Drop a yes in the comments. Now let me ask you another question. Have you ever felt like your life is stuck on repeat? You know exactly what you want: more money, better relationships, unstoppable confidence. But no matter how hard you try, you keep falling back into the same patterns. You read books, attend workshops, and even say affirmations every day, but deep inside, nothing really changes. Why is this happening? Because your subconscious mind is running on old programming, beliefs installed years ago without your permission, silently sabotaging your efforts. And the truth that you must understand today is that you will never attract what you consciously want. You will always attract what your subconscious mind believes you deserve. That's exactly why affirmations, vision boards, and even hard work alone are not enough. You must rewire your subconscious mind at the deepest level. And the best part is, you absolutely can. And it is simpler than you think. Once you learn how to enter a deep self-hypnosis state, you will start rewriting the instructions on your subconscious mind as if it were a slate. You will never again struggle with self-doubt, negative thoughts, or feeling stuck in life. If you are tired of being controlled by outdated beliefs and ready to finally align your subconscious mind to attract the life you truly want, then you are in exactly the right place. Now, before we dive into the exact steps, let me quickly introduce myself so you know you are in capable hands. My name is Dr. MD, and I have dedicated decades to mastering techniques like self hypnosis, neuro linguistic programming, and the law of attraction. My doctoral research resulted in a 240-page dissertation on personal mastery and the peak performance mindset. I have spent years applying these exact techniques in my own life and in coaching thousands of people toward real world transformation. Today, through my YouTube channel, website, and online sessions, I share the powerful knowledge and practical skills that schools and colleges completely miss. Things like mastering your subconscious mind, building unshakable confidence, and creating authentic, lasting success. I call this alternative education. Now, I'm going to teach you exactly how to enter self hypnosis and reprogram your subconscious. Are you ready to change your subconscious programming through self hypnosis and activate the law of attraction in your favor? If yes, type I am ready in the comments. I want you to first listen and understand all the steps. Write them down or save this video so you can return to it later. Do not do the exercise and try to get into a state of hypnosis while listening to me now. I want you to first understand these steps and then do it yourself. Step 1. Sit or lie down in a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Make sure you are completely comfortable. Before you begin, set a post hypnotic suggestion for safety. Say to yourself, at any point during this session, if there is any emergency or I need to wake up, I will immediately become fully awake, alert, and completely refreshed. And then close your eyes and take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. And then go to step 2. It's called Deepen the Relaxation. In step 2, you shift your attention to your body. Mentally scan yourself from head to toe, relaxing every part. Start with your forehead. Release any tension. Relax your eyelids, your jaw, your shoulders. Feel your chest, your stomach, and your legs becoming heavy and relaxed. Begin counting down from 10 to 1 in your mind. With each number, feel yourself becoming more and more relaxed. And then move to step 3. It is called Access Your Subconscious Mind. Here you visualize yourself standing in front of a door. This door leads directly to your subconscious mind. When you open it, you can install new beliefs, beliefs that will become part of you. Once you do this, you go to step 4. Step 4 is called Give Yourself Powerful Suggestions. You will either repeat these suggestions out loud or inside your mind. And instead of saying, I will be confident, say, I am becoming more and more confident. I deserve success and attract opportunities effortlessly. I am becoming a better and better version of myself every day in every way. Feel these words as if they are already true. And you can replace these suggestions with the ones you want for yourself. After you have repeated these suggestions, you proceed to the final step, step 5. And step 5 is called Lock the Beliefs in and Exit the State. In this step, we firmly lock these beliefs, the new beliefs, into our subconscious mind, making them permanent, stable, and deeply embedded within you. If you find it easy to visualize, picture these beliefs clearly, like words engraved in solid stone or glowing vividly inside your mind. But if visualization doesn't come easily to you, that's perfectly fine too. Instead, simply feel or sense these beliefs are becoming stronger, more certain, and deeply rooted inside you with every passing second. You don't need to see them clearly. Just trust, and know that these empowering beliefs are now becoming an automatic part of who you are. With every breath, they are settling deeper into your subconscious mind, naturally guiding your thoughts, actions, and habits from this moment onward. Take a moment to allow this integration to happen effortlessly and naturally. And very importantly, step 5 should not take more than 5 minutes for you to finish it. I wouldn't want, or you wouldn't want to spend the entire day doing this, right? And once you feel satisfied and energized, count from 1 to 5 and slowly bring yourself back. Say to yourself, when I reach 5, I will be fully awake, completely alert, and refreshed. And then you start counting. 1, feel the awareness return to your body. And at 2, breathe deeply. 3, feel your mind sharpening. 4, almost fully awake. 5, eyes open, fully alert, feeling amazing. If you followed this process, type done in the comments. Now that you know exactly how to enter self hypnosis and begin reprogramming your subconscious mind, be sure to check out my other videos on how to talk to your subconscious mind, powerful subconscious reprogramming techniques. And if you are ready to take things to the next level, enroll in my Foundation X program, a world class, deeply researched, in depth program based on alternative education. Foundation X gives you the precise strategies, tools, and proven methods to overcome your inner limitations, master your subconscious programming, and finally step into the best version of yourself. All the links are waiting for you in the description below. Now, I want to hear from you. What limiting belief are you reprogramming today? Drop your answer in the comments. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Until next time, take charge.